what? Sorry.
No, it's totally fine.
I didn't tell him how many.
Laps?
Yeah.
He was on.
Good. David is not running.
No, apparently
Last
his knee
call
has
for
been
the
hurting.
boys and girls, 300-meter hurdles.
Which is
Last
sad.
call. If you cannot check in now, you will be scratched. Last call, boys and girls, 300 meters.
33 split. Yeah, but I'll gladly help him. Honestly, in whatever way.
But he was like, I have no idea how to pace myself. Oh my God, he's fast.
What's that?
He's fast.
He's having fun. Yeah. Come on, Angelo!
Go, Angelo!
Come on, Angelo!
Good.
65.
Is that good?
Yeah. He's doing well. He's pacing himself well. This guy went out too fast. Angelo.
Oh my God, he's so fast.
Come on, Angelo. There he goes. He's decided to go, and now he's going to go. Nice, 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 nice. He gained 10 yards quickly, and he's pushing it. He's on his toes. I love it. He's gaining on the guy. 1, 2,
Oh, look at that.
3, 4, 5.5. He's coming still strong. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. He gained a half second. He's still gaining.
Go, Angelo!
Come on, Angelo!
Go,